everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, pag-uusapan natin si home credit, guys. And just recently, I got a pre-approval from home credit using their app. If you want to know more about how to get a pre-approval using the home credit app, then please stay tuned. What's up everyone? My name is Red. In today's video, pag-usapan natin si Home Credit. Hindi po ito sponsored ni Home Credit, guys. Like you, I use apps like this. So let me tell you a very short story, and I promise it's not going to take more than 5 minutes. Wow. Si Home Credit actually was my first time na ma-expose sa mga buy now, pay later platforms that are available for people who don't have credit cards. So wala akong credit card, guys, kaya naging familiar ako sa mga ganito. So back then, siguro mga 3 or 4 years ago, pupunta ka pa dun sa store, mag-window shopping ka, at kung may bibilhin ka at wala kang pera, hahanapin mo yung mga agent nila, yung mga nakapula. At then tatanungin mo, pwede ko bang gamitin si Home Credit dito? Mag-prepare ka ng 2 documents, yung mga income documents, yung mga IDs mo. And by the way, 2 IDs yung kailangan. 2 IDs kasi nakaka-discourage. Stop using Home Credit because after my 3rd loan, dun ko nakilala yung mga bill-is, yung mga Tendo Pay, which only required 1 ID. Naka-3rd loan pa ako bago sila nagkaroon ng app. At least in my experience. And through that app, masisilip mo kung how many payments pang kailangan mong gawin. Access mo yung mga documents na sinubmit mo sa kanila. A copy of your loan agreement, andun lahat. But then after my 3rd loan, kasi nagkaroon ng mga ibang options kung saan iisang ID lang yung kailangan din, iniwasan ko si Home Credit, guys. Kasi napaka-hassle eh. Back then, you have to go to the store, you have to look for home credit representative. Tapos it's gonna take a couple of minutes pa or even hours bago mo malaman kung ano ka, kung approve ka. You can just imagine the anxiety. What if hindi ako ma-approve, diba? You can now get pre-approved dun sa app. It eliminates 1 step sa kanilang loan application process. As usual, 2 IDs pa rin yung kailangan, but they've expanded their list. Now that I realize na pwede kang kumuha ng pre-approval sa app, so let's try it. And I want to share that process with you guys. So with the pre-approval, hindi mo muna kailangan pumunta ng store, and this is the process. You can click view my offer to click kung ano ba yung offer nila sa inyo. Of course, dun sa dashboard, there are also other things that you can see and click. For example, meron na silang marketplace, meron na silang parang insurance, HC Protect. They also have mobile load, pay bills, and utility. And I've never used any of this because yun nga, iniwasan ko si Home Credit because it's parang hassle siya. I just wanted to go straight to product loans, so makiklik mo yan, and pag kinlik mo yan, the next thing that it will ask you to do, maybe it's different per user, but it asked me to take a selfie because kailangan ko daw i-update yung account sa app mismo. And during the process of taking a selfie, lalabas po yung tips kung paano kunin yung selfie. For example, sasabihin niya sa'yo na do not wear a hat, don't forget to smile. Yung mga tips na ganon. Take a selfie for verification purpose and avoid wearing any glasses, mask, face shields, and avoid dark or poorly lit areas. So, kung susundin mo lang yung tip na to, then I'm very sure na magiging successful yung pag-submit ng selfie mo. So, pag pumasok mo yung face mo dun sa circle, it's gonna automatically take your picture. And just make sure na okay yung color, hindi po siya blurry, wala pong mga shadows, hindi po siya madilim. So, just find a well-lit area. Pasensya na po yung picture ko dito. I have sunburn, namumula. I think it's okay kasi yun yung face ko at that time eh. So, I went with it. So, I just, kung ayaw mo, you can click retake your selfie or submit the photo if you're satisfied kung ano yung kinuha ni Home Credit. The next page will say review and update information. So, hihingi niya yung personal information mo. It's gonna ask you for your marital status, number of dependents, living house or apartment, your place of birth, your country of citizenship, yung mga ganon. Now, if dati ka nang may loan sa Home Credit, then don't be surprised na meron na siyang na-fill out na siya for you. Now, kung merong nag-iba doon, then just change it. Click the pencil that's on the right side, and then you will also see kung ano yung hihingi niya sa inyo. For example, in my case, it's asking me to update 2 of my IDs because it's been a while since my last loan. That was 2 years ago when I got a laptop from them. So it asked me to update my primary ID And then, pag kinlik mo yung update, lalabas po yung options na pwede mong gamitin as a primary ID. For example, yung mga ummmm, driver's license, Filipino identification card, postal ID, tax identification number, voter's ID, professional regulation commission ID, PRC, or your passport. Pili ka lang dyan kung yun na yung available sa inyo, and the next page will show you kung paano kunin yung picture ng ID na to. Automatic ID scan. So, automatic niyang i-capture yung picture ng ID nyo. Just be sure na sumunod po kayo sa instruction. For example, please make sure you place your ID within the frame and avoid any glare, blur, or dark area. So, sundin lang yan and you'll be fine. At kung mukhang okay yung ID mo, i-capture niya, parang isa-scan niya yung ID and then it will fill out the missing information. Just make sure na tama yung na-capture niya and click save. Next, it will ask you for a secondary ID. It gave me choices again of the acceptable secondary ID. So, ayan po yung list. And I'm glad na meron akong passport. So, I click passport and then, again, lalabas ulit yung tip kung paano i-capture yung photo ng mga IDs na yun, which is gonna be automatic through the app. Just be sure na i-follow lang yung instructions doon. Scan niya yung details ng ID mo. Kung passport, kailangan mong ilagay yung ID number. And once you have it there, then just click save. Now, pag na-save na yung ID, the next window, verify niya kung tama pa ba ito yung mga contact information na andon. And wala naman nag-change, so I just proceeded. On the next page, it asked me to update my employment, monthly income, yung mga ganon. So, kung ano man yung kailangan i-update from, you know, especially yung mga information na medyo luma na, then it will ask you to update and just supply those information. So, sa contact reference, dalawang reference po yung hinihingi niya. And yung third is optional already. So, yung nilagay ko is yung pangalan ng asawa ko at saka yung anak ko. And I gave them their phone numbers. So, definitely dapat humingi ng permission dun sa gagawin mong contact reference. So, when you're done with that, just click save, 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 and continue. And then, it will ask you kung yung contact mo ba is nagsusupport sa'yo financially. It will also ask you if you want to add another contact person. So, just answer yes or no, depending on your situation. And then, finally, it will ask you to confirm kung tama na ba yung lahat ng information na you submitted above. And then submit everything for approval. Now, if you click that, padadalhan ka nila ng OTP. Pagkatapos mong ilagay yung OTP, then the next page that it will show you is that yung product loan mo is processing na. And then, it took a couple minutes and nag-iba na yung status. If you have been pre-approved, you will see a QR code na pwede mong gamitin sa partner store. So, meron din siyang reminder na dapat magdala ng dalawang valid ID. And then also, there's an expiration. At this point, it's still not fine. Naging mas convenient pa yung pag-apply ng loan sa home credit. And please, for that, stay tuned for the next video because pupunta ako doon again sa all day. For you guys, I'm going to try this out. And until then, bye!